try to tone it down. I'm just kind of making that get a little bit more golden on the nose to where it's not so in your face. But then I'm going to take the same contour brush, a little bit of the highlight, right in this. I don't do the straight line. I don't do that. I just kind of blend it out a bit. I wish you could see, but the lighting is so horrible here. I'm going to go back in and just brighten these cheeks up just a tad more. It's funny because you can't see it on camera as well because of the lighting. I promise I'm getting a better lighter. Better. I'm getting this circular light. I don't know what it's called. That's what happens when you get old. Okay, for mascara, I am going to use, I had it down here. First I'm going to do curl them. And then I'm going to use, I love this stuff. This is L'Oreal. It is the Voluminous Base. It's from L'Oreal. I got that off of Amazon, and this stuff is wonderful. If you don't wear the false eyelashes and you want, you know, I have trouble, my eyelashes aren't that prominent. I wasn't blessed with a good, beautiful eyelashes. But I noticed when I use this, it sticks them babies right up. It fills them up. So, I make sure to put this on before the mascara. A lot of times, too, once in a while, I'll go in with a highlighter, like right in the corner, like everybody else does. I wish I had some out here. I don't think I do. I have got to get better organized. This is just sad. Yes, it is. I'm looking for some banana powder. I don't know where it went. That's just weird. Okay, here's some. It's not really the one that I like. Oh, here it is. Believe it or not, this is the NYX, and it came to me broke. But I didn't do the best. I gave him a, you know, pretty sad review, but I do like the product. It's just, they didn't bubble wrap it or anything. And then it was really disappointing when it came because I was looking forward to seeing how it does. And I actually like it better than this one. And this one is, okay, Fixinate. Undoor Fixinate. I have no clue. setting powder. It's banana setting powder. But I like it better. I like the NYX, even though it's crumbled, better than this. So, I will go instead of putting the glitter. Now, or not the glitter, but the shiny shadow. My brain, I told you, my brain's on vacation. I don't know where it's at today. Not here. But anyway, I got that on. I'm going to let that dry. And then I'm going to take this banana powder. I'm going to try to find me a small brush. My eyes are kind of tiny. That might work. I'm going to use this angled. It's real dense. I'm going to use that. And I'm just going to lightly go in the corner instead of using a glittery or a shiny, sparkly shadow. I'm just going to use this banana powder because it takes the darkness out of the corner of the eye. And bring it down if you like. And like I said, it is just so hot and muggy. Here in Florida, it's hard to keep anything on your face. So, I know I look kind of pale and I wish you could see. It's really not that. There it goes. The lighting. It's turned out quite beautiful. And it's just the lighting. You can't see it. I know I gotta get that light's coming. I know it is. I'm gonna get a lip pencil, and it's gonna be like trying to find one that's I'm gonna like to use for this. Let me try these two. Let's see what happens with that. These are the pencils that, it's pretty. If you can see that here. That I got that came in today. Ooh. That one's pretty. So I think I might go with that one. But I'm going to try that lip tint. Hopefully I can get it open. And I still have mascara to do. Here's the lip tint. So we're going to try that and see how that is. That came off of Ipsy. And it is Maelle. It's a lip tint. I'm trying to see the color and I can't see it. Anyway. They only had the one color. It was for the add-ons. So is what I'm going to do. This isn't, okay, it's a good time to check the sharpener out. There isn't a very good point on this one for some reason. So we're testing to see how good these are. I ain't worried about the shape. It's okay, there's the point. That's so much better. But yeah, these work. It's the sharpener that's on the cap of these pencils, and these pencils are very soft. And I got smaller lips, so that's what I do. I go over my my lips. I do it right on the outside of the line. And I don't point at the Cupid's bow. I kind of just go in that dip. And overline it slightly. So that's a great trick if you got smaller lips. And sometimes I will go with a little bit darker.
Sitting there and disrupt. But you need to look at your dog. There.
I'm taping. Why, is he growling at you?
No. That's how smaller.
Yeah, that's Ace. He will snore.
No, I just wanted to point it out. He's a good boy.
Yes, he is.
He's a great boy.
He is an awesome boy.
And so are you, Max. I'm sorry.
Hmm.
I know. Oh, shit.
Here we go. These work great. Love them lots.
Yes, love your animals because they will take care of you.
Yes, they will.
Oh, what's up, Nancy? They want to get out. Yes, sir. Dinner in like 25 minutes.
Cool.
Oh,
Cool, nice.
yeah. By the way, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
No, I couldn't do it.
Oh, gotcha. This is the color. I don't know if you can see it. It's a very light, nude, pinkish. But we over did the lips, which will be alright because I'll probably, ooh. Okay. On the arm, it didn't show up that bold. On the lips, it does. And it is buildable. Again, that was an add-on from Mitzi. I like that. Then I could either add some gloss over that, but I think... Did I even bring out any gloss? I think I did. Anyway, it's a lip stain. I really like that. I thought I brought in some gloss. I am so not organized here. And I'm also looking for another mascara. I brought out two, but I cannot find the other one. So anyway, I can't find the gloss either. Welcome to my world. As Elvis would sing, welcome to my world. Won't you come on in? Anyway, I thought I brought out a gloss and two mascaras, but I don't see the gloss. So anyway, is what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the Pacifica lip balm because it does have a nice sheen to it. And it is so comfortable. Well, we'll just go with that. Yeah. If you guys can see. It's very neutral. It's very nudish. But we're going to go in right now with some mascara. And we will probably go over it one more time with the light powder. And that will be that. hair. My goodness. Must stay on my head. I just gouged myself in the eye. That's always pleasant. No, I'm not gonna do these, this mascara like in your face, because I just wanted to go over it lightly. Because this is a very, daytime-ish look. Nothing's too in your face bold. A movie night, grocery store, you know, something like that. Go to work. The shadows took very nicely. ColourPop always does such a wonderful job with their shadows. I highly recommend them for a 55-year-old woman. Anyway, very, very pretty. This mascara. Oh my, lions and tigers. I got on Amazon. I think I got a couple influencers use this also. It's a really nice mascara. I like it. I like the brush. I'm trying to see who makes this. Essence. Essence Lash. It's the green one. Wow. I certainly need some new glasses. Anyway, it's the green one. Has a funny face on the top. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. And I always go back over them. I thought I brought a dryer brush out here. Ooh, I forgot this too. I like to go over this, just to go over my brows. It brings them up. They look more natural. I got this also from Ipsy. Beautiful. And this is, I hope it says, when it doesn't say it on the packaging itself, it's so hard. Oh, this is Wander. Same as the foundation I was going to use. But decided to go with a more heavy coverage because of the camera. But it's very pretty. But anyway, I can't find the other mascara that kind of tones things down. Make sure that your hands are clean. But since I can't find anything and I can't find a spoolie, I'm just going to kind of set the mascara in. This also takes some of the excess off. So if you're putting on clothes or something like that, it's not going to, you know, get on it as much. So we're going to do, oh, isn't that lovely? No, Maxwell, you can't have that. One more thing if I can find it. There it is. I'm going to go over it one more time with this finishing powder. I just love this stuff. It's the Watermelon Burst. And we're gonna, I know the hair probably doesn't look the best because it's so humid. And I got it tied up in knots. That's what everybody's trying to make a decision for me. Whether I should recut my hair or let it grow. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. It's got a lot of natural curl to it. I do need a color because the framing around my face is getting more gray. But anyway, there it is. So you could go a little darker with the blush or what have you. The chest area looks really nice. You can't see any red spots whatsoever. Got a little bit of glow going. My eyes are like a lavender and purple on the sides. A very natural lip color because I've got my eyes darker. It certainly has brought out my eyes. It's given my face more of a youthful glow. I think I did just a little bit too much glow on the nose, but you could always take some blush and calm that down. But this video is running at 48 minutes, so I think I should stop. Alright guys, I love you bunches, and this was to finish up the makeup for just an everyday look. Not too in your face, but really a big pickup. Okay, love you guys bunches from Florida. Love you.